Hello everyone, welcome to Hunt Electronics. This is your friend Sakib. And today's technical topic which we are going to talk on it is a LED chaser circuitry using IC555 and CD4017 IC. Okay, so before this LED chaser is used in many application which you find in your day-to-day application used in the indicator, used in the display board, used for the decoration. Okay, so you can create a different decorative lights for your festivals like at Diwali or Eid or in the Christmas Eve, etc., etc. Okay, so let us see how it works. So my dear friend, you can see this is a circuit diagram of a LED chaser over here. On the one side, you will find the IC555. At the middle, you will find a decoder IC that is a 4017, and the output is given to the LED over here. So the IC555 is also known as a timer IC. It has got a vast application. It can operate at vast voltage range starting from 5 volt to 22 to 25 volt over there. So IC555 can be used in a three mode of application. It can be used as a stable multivibrator. It can be used as a bistable multivibrator. It can be used as a Smith trigger, and it has got a lot of application depending upon which mode you are using. So here in this application, the IC555 is used as a stable multivibrator, which is also called as a free running multivibrator. In this, you can find the pin number 3, which is the output of the IC555. It is given to the pin number 14 of a decoder IC. Okay, so the output. So this output of the IC555, it is controlled with a VRA. This is a 10 kilo ohm pot over there. Okay, so as you increase and decrease this part, the output frequency of IC555 is changed. Okay, so if you increase the frequency, the clock cycle also goes on increasing. Okay, now let's see about the decoder IC. So 4017 is a decoder IC which has got a 0 to 9 output. So 0 to 9 means 10 output over there. Okay, and whose output get changes one by one depending upon the input clock cycle. For a single clock, if you give a one clock, then the first LED will turn on. Then for the second clock, then that will get shifted to the second, third, and it will work like a shift resistor over here. So let us see detail about this IC. So this is a 4017 decoder IC, or 4016 is also available in the market. So there are total 10 outputs over there, and a pin number 14 is called as clock insert. Pin number 15 is a reset over here. So here you can see the clock pulses. Okay, these clock pulses are generated with the help of IC555. Now you can see here, for the one clock person, when it is a 0, you will see the first output is there. Okay, then for the second clock pulse, second output, then third clock pulse, third output. So like this, it output goes on shifting. Okay, then it comes to the all 10 outputs. So the last output will be giving you as a logic 1 output, and then again it will get reset, and again it will come to the first one. Now let us see the animation video of this. You will come to know a clear idea how it works. Okay, so here, okay, so let us see the animation video. I will just play. Here you can find a 555 IC over here. This is a 4017 decoder, and these are the 10 outputs of it. Okay, so when clock pulse are started, so here you can see the clock pulse are giving, and the output is getting shifted one by one. For every clock, it will get shifted. So like this, you will get a different pattern. And the changing of one LED to another LED, it depends upon the frequency of a IC555. So if you increase the pot, okay, if you go on increasing the pot, what happens over here, the frequency also goes on increasing. As the frequency goes on increasing, the clock pulse is increasing, and the speed of this also goes on up, increasing. Okay, so let us see how practically it works on the practical. So Okay, so friend, you can see that I've got this LED chaser, which is easily available in the market or online on the Amazon or on the Flipkart over there. Okay, so this is a 6 channel. You can see here total 6 LEDs, 6 transistor and 6 outputs are there. So you can get this up to 10 outputs over there. So you can find over here 555. This is the port which I was talking about. So if you change the port over here, sequence over here, then you can see that the output of the 555, that frequency is going to change, which is the input to the decoder IC, and this output will change accordingly. That so first let us connect some. So it will require a 12 volt over here. So already I have got some power supply. Let us connect this here and we'll turn it on. Okay, so already I have given a 12 volt over here. Now you can see here, as the clock pulse are given over here, the output LED is getting shifted over here. Now the speed of this LED depends upon this port over here. So let me adjust this port with the help of, so see, so as I increase this, now say I will decrease this. Okay, see, so I have decreased the frequency, the output, the running LED also get decreased slowly. So if I increase this frequency, output of the 555 increase, see, and so on. So for each channel you can connect near about 50 LEDs. So for one channel 50, second 50, third 50, and depending upon that you can increase the power supply capacity. So at present I have given 1 ampere 12 volt over there. If you are going to add more LEDs, for each channel you can add near about 50 LED depending upon the capacitor of the transistor which is driving. So if you change the transistor for each channel, you can drive near about hundreds of LED, and depending upon that you can add a power. So let us do some creative work and let us see how it works. To all. Okay, white, this is white, green, okay. So yeah, you can see this. Okay, so it is working perfect. Let us now connect this to the circuitry. Okay, now we require a 12 volt over here. 20 like 12 volt. Okay friends, so you can see that 6 channel. Now with the help of preset, I'm going to change the frequency of IC4017, and as we change the frequency you can see the output how it changes. So now I have to increase the frequency, now I have to decrease the frequency slowly. So as we have seen that the output of 555 is given to the IC 4017, that is a decoder, okay, and the output of the decoder, it total depends upon the input of the 555, that is the output, and we know that the IC445 here, it is working as a stable multivibrator, and as we are increasing and decreasing the resistance here, that is R1 resistance over here, that is changing the output frequency of 555, and depending upon the output of the frequency, the speed of the LED chaser is changing over here. So this is the minimum speed over there. So slowly if I increase, you can see this, how the speed of the tracer is increasing. And so on. So you can see this. Yeah, it's good, nice, awesome. So you people can try this at your home. This circuitry is already available in the market on Amazon, or if you go to the local market, or already I have given the circuit diagram. You can take a screenshot of the circuit diagram, and you can build your own circuitry on the general purpose board over here. So it is a good idea to decorate during the Diwali, Eid, or a Christmas over there. So it's very good, as you can see. So how I, yes. So for more technical video, you can just like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.